Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how you can fix your not working controller in Steam. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. Well, to be honest with you, if your controller is not working, fixing it is pretty easy and simple. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open Steam and then click on Steam in the top left corner. Now what you need to do is go to settings and then controller. Your controller should be automatically detected. However, if it's not, what you can do is unplug and plug it back. If it's a Bluetooth controller, disconnect and connect it again. In the next step, what you need to do is on the controller page, uncheck the option that says turn off controllers when exiting big picture mode. Now in the next step, what you can do is install drivers such as Xbox Extended Features Support driver. Next, what you need to do is find no game control layouts. Click on the cogwheel and select reset control layout to default. Do this for all the controllers that are listed. Finally, what you need to do is go to the calibration and advanced settings, click open and calibrate your controller. And that's pretty much all about how you can fix your not working controller in Steam. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.